Hi everybody, we're back for another video, and this is a box that I had sent to me by Olga. She's also known as Artmingle on YouTube, on Instagram, and other places, and she told me she was sending me something, but I was not expecting it to be this big of a box. So I don't even know where to begin. So we'll start over here. Oh wait, that's big. So I will probably speed through this process of okay. So Olga said she was sending me a traveler's notebook, but this box, she said, shipped and it was over 6 pounds. Oh my goodness. What? 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 Okay. Let me get the box out of the way. Now, this is the item I was expecting. That's such a cute card. This is the one for John, just because. And it's... okay, long story short. She had watched one of my videos where I had unboxed this. The fake Giglio from Amazon. And I had commented that, you know, I had wanted one of the blue ones, but they were out of stock on Amazon because of my video. So many people had ordered them. So she had actually ordered one of them. You'll see it says Traveler's Journal New, and I think it's blue. Oh my goodness. There's a Galen. So let me see. Let's see what we have. Or should we save that for last? Let's take a look at all these little things. She sent me some self-adhesive laminating sheets. She sent me, oh my gosh, it's got sparkles on it. Oh, Olga, that is so sweet. It looks like a vellum with shiny stars. That is really cute, and that is so sweet of you. Oh my goodness. Some stickers that have sayings and galaxy all over them. What is this? Oh, that's really pretty. Some really pretty note paper with watercolors. I'm sensing a theme here, Olga. This is awesome. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Oh. Hey John, just wanted to send you a little token of happiness. I got the blue TN specifically for you. All of the other things is stuff I found in my studio that I thought you may like. If you don't, feel free to share with your friends. Many blessings, Olga. Oh my goodness. That is a really cute card. And knowing Olga, she probably made that herself. And then there's, I'm just so overwhelmed. Oh my gosh, there's paper clips. And tea. Oh my gosh, Earl Grey is my favorite. English breakfast. There's some little washi stickers. Some Werther's candies. Some really pretty washi tape. Ooh! One of those felt pom-pom paper clips. I've never had one of those. A teeny tiny little book. Oh, it has a sticker in it. That's so cute. It's like a little charm. Oh my goodness, there's so much stuff in here. A little post-it set with a little pen. That is adorable. Okay, we'll go through that. So there's that. She sent a Lahit Lab pen pouch. Have fun with these. Okay, so what's in here? Oh my goodness. This is the blue set that you get from Jet Pens when you order like everything of one color. This is one of my favorite colors of shades of blue. And I had totally run out of all of my blues that are this color, except for one of my Pilot High-Tech C micas. That, oh my goodness, Olga. Tan lines. I have no idea what this is. It looks like it's a fancy pen. Oh my goodness, it's a pen gem in this beautiful sparkly brown. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Wait, there's more. I'm probably doing this the wrong way. It says, have fun with these. Oh my goodness. Look at that. They're like washi stickers, and they're separated by theme. Like these are coffees and coffee stickers. There's a blank envelope. These are beautiful postage stamps Parisian things. These are cute little paper clippings. These are words to do list, today's letters, numbers. And these look like old pieces of paper and letters. Wait, there's more. You can store your favorite die cuts or clear stickers in here. This is one of the Travelers Company little spiral bound notebooks that has slots for stuff. Wait, there was one other thing I saw. Oh, these are the adhesive stickers. There's 6 sheets of them, and it looks like there's 3 on each, so you can store things inside of your traveler's notebooks. Okay. What is this? I am just at a loss for words, Olga. This was so incredibly kind and so not necessary. That's a beautiful paper. Set that aside. I bought this from Mitzi. It's gorgeous, but I think this will look better on you. Oh my gosh, it's a lacao. Oh my goodness. I've never owned a lacao, but it's got the card slots, a pocket, a secretarial pocket, 4 elastics, and this is one of his, what he calls a floating pen loop. That is beautiful. It smells nice too. And it's olive green, one of my favorite colors. That is beautiful. Okay. Wait, what is in this bullet journal? Oh my goodness. The bullet journal method and an actual Leuchtturm bullet journal. I've never owned a Leuchtturm before. Oh my goodness. That's Olga. Excuse me. Now let's see what this is. I know you can make this cover look amazing. Oh my goodness. Is this... It's the Crazy Horse Brown. And it's one of the... It's got an elasticated pen loop. Card slots. This is for the, I think it's for the Hobonichi. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. I think this is for the Hobonichi. And it has this beautiful, whatever you do, do it with love. Let's see what this card says. Yep, it's Crazy Horse Brown. It was made the 19th of January of 2019, and Yusuf made it. Wow. I've never seen the Crazy Horse notebooks. The husband's using my A5 Galen Leather notebook, or Traveler's Notebook cover, and he's really enjoying it. Look at that cute little mousy sticker with cheese. Okay, and this was the only thing I was expecting to come with all of this stuff. So I'll open it real quick, because this is probably going to be a very long video. They really package these very good. So there'll be a box. Inside of a box. There's the box. And so it came with the elastics, came with a plastic zipper pouch, came with a craft folder, and it's the beautiful blue one. Olga, that was so sweet and so kind. You'll see it's exactly like my brown one, except it's orange on the inside and this beautiful deep blue on the outside. Ugh. I was going to put all of our financial stuff in here because I liked the pockets and everything. So there you go. I will take some photos of some of these items so you can see all of the... I've got way too much stuff here. Olga, thank you from the bottom of my heart. This is the sweetest, nicest thing that anybody could do. I am going to love these pens to play with. I don't even know if everything is in the shot, but wow, that was so kind and so not necessary. So I will link Olga's channel down below. She has a wonderful channel, which I think some of her videos have been set to private. I think there's just a few unboxings of some gorgeous notebooks and ring binders that she bought herself, that she works really well in rings and decorates them to look beautiful. So there you are. Thank you again, Olga. That was so sweet and so kind. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.